Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show how to group text inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open up Canva and use a blank template here. And for this demonstration, I'm just going to add in a heading, I'm going to add a subheading, and then a little bit of body text here. So to group all these together, just simply highlight it all and then drag and move it to wherever you want it on the page. You can even make it smaller or a lot bigger. Another way to do it is to highlight the whole lot and then click on where it says group, click onto that, and now that's grouped. So you can move this pretty much like as a picture around your project here. And to ungroup this, click on ungroup, and that's it. It's ungrouped and you can move it around individually again. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to group text inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.